Today's episode, it will be a race. The producers told us to choose one winter transportation for a mountain terrain. And when we're done, we should meet at the top of the mountain. The only thing is that we don't have a producers.
And so we are already here. And today's challenge is with several types of different transportation.
For example, I've chosen this, which is a BMW X5 with 3-liter diesel engine. My colleague Daniel decided to use the lift. And to be more interesting, we have two guests today. The first one is a very good snowboarder. And the second one is a dirt bike Republican champion. So the race will begin here, which is the last lift up of the mountain. Down the hill we have several different routes depending on the transportation we use. Obviously the dirt bike and the car are the fastest, but the road is the longest. The slowest is the lift, but as you can imagine, the lift line is straight down the hill. There are no curves, no objects, no snow. And for the snowboarder, he can choose his own way. But of course there are a lot of things that he should worry about. Trees, rocks, rivers, sharp branches, and many more. So it will be an epic race, with only one winner. And exactly in 10 o'clock in the morning, the race begins here.
I'm at the cabin now, so what I think this is going to be the slowest race I've ever been into. But still, here we go. Woo!
found a shortcut, and I'm winning the race already. Okay. And full throttle.
Actually, this is the medium stop. We're again wasting time. Come on, Lip. I believe in you. Here is where the doors are going to close, as you can hear. And here we go. Woohoo! Sorry, I'm gonna keep the camera still. And off we go. So again, we're back to the nice views and wasting time.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah I'm all that. Working for that whip, yeah that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have him yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yup. I'm going mainstream.
Now let's see. This is gonna be tense. As you can see, we are in a problem. Oopsie daisy.
Guys, where is the dirt bike?
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel And thanks for watching.